Thank you very much for joining me again. Today I have Dialyn G10 tablet. This is a big screen tablet. Let's see the specification. It says 10-inch LCD, octa-core processor, which is comparatively good in the Chinese model, and 8 megapixel selfie, and the back camera is also 8 megapixel. The battery also has a 5. Normally in most of these Chinese brand or other stuff, they come in 4,000, but this one has 5,000, and you can put micro SD card up to 256 GB. So that's let's unbox this thing and see. So let's take out the box cover. This is a normal plastic cover. So here is the first this is the normal packing. So let's take out this thing first. So this one is the normal, or they come with some look like this is activation SIM card, which is already installed in it. Normal one-page manual, and that's it. Well, let's you'll see. This is instruction. Interestingly, they are saying press and hold start, blah blah blah. So look at this. This is only okay. This is Type C and the USB charging cable, and quality is not that very good. It's a very thick one. This is a standard box. Look at this, and also very cheap quality. So these are the accessories in the box. That's it. So let's dive into the tablet. So remove these things. This is also coming with the case, because that's a good strategy, because very hard to find those kind of no-name brand or low-end brand cases. So that's good. So it's kind of hard. So let's remove this case and see. Oh, that's comparatively good. Look at this is the back camera, which is 8 megapixel, the one thing, and this is comparatively good quality. On the other one, you can hear the sound. So this is a Type C. You can put the SIM card on it. Here is the audio jack. You can put that's a good thing. And let's turn on. While it's turning on, we can go through some more steps. So these are the same specification what was on the box. So there is nothing on the bottom, interestingly, and the speaker on the side. That's very rare nowadays. So normally it's a bottom on the top. So that's everything. Now let's see. Let's activate this. Oh, so this is the first look. Look at activate. So this is already activated, and come on, do it. So this is the basic Android. See, it has a very good zoom like this. So that's in this price. That's a nice tablet. Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the next video.